Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day Pikachu Pokeball surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Pokemon surprise fold, we need to begin by folding our paper. So I like to turn it this way, and I like to fold it in half. Just go ahead and line up the corners almost as if you are making a Valentine's card. Then you just want to go ahead and fold it down. Now after this, I like to go ahead and just fold the whole thing in half again. It kind of turns into a little bit of like a big bookmark. Now once we have this, you can turn it and just open up this one flap, not both of them, but just one. Then when you open it all the way, you have two lines in here that can serve as nice guidelines so you know not to cross these when you're drawing inside of here. Now to start off with our Pokemon surprise fold, we're going to begin with a Pokeball. And since this is going to be a Valentine's Day one, we're going to make a heart-shaped Pokeball. So I'm going to start right over here, and we're just going to make our heart shape. So let's begin here. We're going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come to about here. So we just want to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come down just a little bit. Then over here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come down and in, just like on the other side. Now starting here, we're going to make like a V shape. It's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. So we're just going to draw one that's going to come down. Try to line it up best you can with this. We'll make this come in a little bit more. Then we're just going to bring this up. And I kind of rounded mine a little bit, just kind of help keep that little bit of like that Pokeball shape. Now right in the middle here, we want to make a circle. So we're going to draw two halves of the circle. So first, starting here, right in the middle, let's go ahead and draw a sad face for the top of our circle. And then right here, let's go ahead and draw a happy face for the bottom of our circle. Now once we're done with that, we need to draw a little line going across. I'm actually going to turn my paper like this so I can draw a little bit of a straighter line. So we're going to hold this down, and we're going to draw a line that's going to come right to about here. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to jump over this, and then we're going to draw a line that's going to come all the way down to here. Then starting here, we're going to make a curved line that's going to connect these two. So we're just going to draw a line that's going to come all the way over to here to connect. Now let's do the same thing up here. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then we'll jump here and draw a line coming here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and then come down. Now when we turn it, we actually have our kind of little like heart Pokeball shape. Now the next step is we want to actually open this up so we can draw some details on the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two different halves of our little Pokeball surprise fold. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn my paper just a little bit, and I want to connect these little lines here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw them down just a little bit farther so we can just go a little bit below the fold, and then we'll draw a nice straight line across to connect them. And then we'll just bring these lines down a little bit. Now we're going to do the same thing over here. So we're going to bring these lines up just a little bit. Bring this line up just a little bit. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll just draw this line across. And then we'll bring these lines up just a little bit. Now this way we have a nice little heart surprise fold, so when we fold it we won't see any details, and then when we open it up we'll see the different parts. So now we want to come in here and add the body, and we're going to actually put Pikachu in here. We're going to make a little Valentine's Pikachu. So first thing is let's start right in the middle, and let's begin with his head. So we're going to start right here. I'm going to go below this fold, and we're going to begin with just a little line that's just going to curve around and come down. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And over here we'll do the same thing. We're just going to bring a line that's going to come down. Now up here, let's make the face. So I'm going to begin right here with this fold, and we're going to begin by just making the circles for the eyes. So I'm going to draw one circle for an eye here. We'll leave some space, and then we'll make another circle for an eye over here. You want to keep them about the same size. We'll add a smaller circle inside each eye. And then we can go ahead and color in the inside here. Now, right in between the eyes, we're going to make the nose. He's got a small nose. So what we want to do is just draw a small little triangle. So we'll make a line that goes across, and a little line that's going to go down and up. So it's like a small little upside down triangle. Underneath here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to go down and up again for his mouth. And right here, we'll make a little line that's going to go down and then come back up for his mouth. And right here, we'll make a little sad face for the tongue. And I like to just color in right above it. Over here, let's make his little cheeks. So we're going to begin by drawing a circle right here for a cheek. And then we'll do another circle over here for his little red cheeks that he has. Now up here for his ears, all we want to do is draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come to a point, and then we'll bring it back down. Let's do that same thing on the other side. So we're just going to bring this line up to a point, and then we're going to bring it back down. Next, we'll add a little line that's going to curve up on each side. Now, starting here, we're going to make his little arms. So to do this, we're going to begin right here. We'll draw a little line that's going to come in, and then it's just going to come right back out. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to draw a little line that's going to come in, and we're going to come right back out. Now, starting here, we want him to hold a heart. So to make him hold a heart, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and down, and then another one that's just going to curve up and down here. Right here, we'll draw a line that's going to come down to a point, and then we're going to bring it up. Now, the last thing we want to do is draw his little tail. So to do that, we're going to begin by making a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to go down just a little bit. Then we're going to come up again, and this time we're going to go all the way down to here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up. We're going to go down, and then we're going to come up again. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to connect to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun little Pikachu Valentine's surprise fold. So when we have it all closed up, we have our nice little Pokeball heart. Then when we open it up, we have Pikachu inside there holding a little heart for Valentine's Day. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.